If you're looking to transition from paper HR to digital HR, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we're going to break down how to make that switch efficiently and stress-free. Stick with me to the end because we'll also talk about a free trial to one of the best software tools available for this transition. Trust me, it's a game changer. First off, let's get real. Moving away from paper-based HR systems might sound overwhelming, but it's a step toward efficiency, security, and ease for both your team and HR staff. If you're still using paper for employee records, payroll, and performance reviews, you're likely wasting time and risking data loss. Digital HR systems streamline all of that and provide a much-needed upgrade to your operations. So, how do you get started? Step 1 is choosing the right software. There are tons of options out there, but the software we'll be using today offers everything you need to get your HR processes fully digital. It handles employee data, time tracking, payroll, and more all in one place. I've tested a lot of HR platforms, and trust me, this one stands out. I'll be linking to an exclusive free trial in the description below just for you, so you can follow along. Once you've selected your software, the next step is data migration. This is often the trickiest part of the process. Take the time to digitize your paper records, but do it in phases. Start with your most critical records, like employee contracts, personal information, and payroll details. Uploading these into your software platform will keep them secure and easily accessible. If you're transitioning from a spreadsheet-based system, many HR platforms allow you to import data directly, saving you tons of time. Now let's talk about automation. One of the best parts about digital HR systems is that they automate so many processes. Things like payroll, benefits management, and even performance evaluations can now be done automatically. This reduces human error and speeds up the whole process. Be sure to set up workflows and notifications in your software so that everything runs smoothly without missing a beat. Next, focus on training. Your HR team, managers, and employees all need to understand how to use the new system. Don't skip this step. It's vital for ensuring the transition goes smoothly. Set up a few training sessions and provide resources, like manuals or video tutorials, so everyone is on the same page. Most HR software comes with plenty of support materials to help with this. Finally, don't forget to test everything before you fully transition. Run a few mock payrolls, process a couple of employee data updates, and see how the software responds. It's better to iron out any issues during this phase than after you've fully made the switch. Key takeaway: transitioning from paper HR to digital HR doesn't have to be complicated, but it requires the right tools, planning, and training. Start with the right software, carefully migrate your data, automate repetitive tasks, and ensure everyone knows how to use the system. To wrap up, make sure to grab the free trial link in the description below. This software will make your HR processes faster, easier, and more secure, and you can follow along to see how it works in real time. Thanks for watching.